All right, here's from my truck and SUV, guys. I've got a 2012 Ford Expedition XLT, got 165,000 miles. It is a repossession. Got a cracked windshield running right down the middle. Not too bad, but there. But another just filthy car. This side's, really this side and the back is not bad. It's just the driver's area. I mean, we got... And it stinks in here. God, it stinks. Whew. Let's get down the window. I mean, it smells like ashtrays and morgues. All right, let's do a startup. This thing's probably going to run like crap. What, are you kidding me? I'll be darned. Well, it actually runs pretty good. I cannot believe it. Wait, it doesn't have heated seats? Come on, this is like a loaded XLT. It should have heated seats, but I guess it doesn't. Huh. My parents' XLT got a backup camera up there in the rearview mirror. It's tiny, but it helps. My parents do that. Well, it was a 14, their Expedition. It had heated and cooled seats, and it was an XLT. You know what? This thing doesn't run half-ass bad, y'all. Ooh, that first shift. Man, that was hard. At 1 to 2. Someone's kept the oil change. It's not due for another 2,000 miles. This thing doesn't drive half bad. I got to check out this transmission though. Something weird was happening there. God, this thing stinks. Somebody had a stinking ass dog, man. Okay, not too bad. Pretty strong, shift good. Just right there at the beginning when I pulled out of the parking spot, it shifted that one time and it kind of bumped, a little hard. Not a bad running old rig. She ain't bad. She stinks. God, I feel like I've got all the athlete socks stuffed in my face. I mean, all of them. This is nasty. Look how nasty this is. Can y'all even see that? Comprehend that? I mean, dog hair and just sludge. Ugh. Just nasty. Well, you can't see, the sun's coming, but this is just all. The seat needs a little help. Got a hole right there. Typical stuff. But I mean, the back's not bad. I mean, really isn't. It's not bad at all. These seats here, and this isn't all beat up. A lot of times that shit right there's kicked in. Clean headliner. How's that back seat look? That looks good. I mean, it's not bad. And it's actually got decent tires on it. And the body's not bad. The wind is howling, folks. Not a bad looking old Expedition. But these 5.4 Tritons, you got to be careful, man. You got to be careful, dude. These things can turn into rattle boxes on you in no time. But once they're fixed, they're usually pretty bulletproof. And probably by 2012, that problem had probably been eliminated, but I'm not sure. Y'all comment below. Do these late 5.4 Tritons, you know, 2012, the last years they were kind of offered, did they still have the cam phaser issue? Another easy auto. Did we not even have a power tailgate? Huh. This is barely an XLT model. No, it says it's, let's see if it works. Huh, doesn't work anymore. Has the power tailgate, but it doesn't work. Do the power folding seats work? Yes, they do. That's good. Okay, cool. I'm fortunate about that power door. Those things can be expensive to fix sometimes. Y'all probably can't hear a word I'm saying. The wind's blowing so dang hard. Got good oil pressure. Good AC. I'm going to run her up through here one more time. I just want to double check this transmission. Shifts, downshift's good, upshift's good. Little slow on the window. Come on, Aunt B. Come on, come on. But at least she came up. Got a tasteful tint, not too bad. I like it. It's pretty cool. God, it just stinks in here, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.